Hey, what's up everyone? It's Kirk here again at Option Alpha, and in this video I'm going to try to go through a trade that I'm trying to get out of right now, and that is FXY. So we did a couple positions in FXY just this past month, and one of those positions is now coming off again. It's our Iron Butterfly centered around 83, and right now FXY is trading around right around 83, like 82.97. And I've actually been having trouble pretty much all morning getting this thing filled. Now let me just flip my screen around because I'm going to show you guys. If you can see right here, we actually have the order in to get out of the trade. We're willing to pay a price of $1.53. Right now the mark is $1.50. So you would think actually that this thing would fill like pretty quickly, right? Like we're willing to pay $1.53. Market right now for the whole Iron Butterfly is $1.50. We've actually tried some other prices below today. So you can see we've got some other ones like we changed it from $1.49. We were at $1.50, then $1.55, and then $1.49. And we've done a to make this thing try to fill. It just doesn't seem like it's going to fill right now the way it is. So I'm going to try to talk through what we're seeing right now as far as how we might be able to get this position off. And so what we have right now, for those of you who are following along, we've got an 83 Iron Butterfly. That means we sold the 83 straddle, bought the 88 calls, and bought the 78 puts. Now, the only thing that I see as being potentially an issue for us in getting out of this trade is a little bit of the liquidity in these out-of-the-money options. The at-the-money strikes right now, so the 83s, which are here, if you guys can see those are the 83s. Those are the at-the-money call strikes. Those have some pretty good volume today. There's about 102 contracts being traded today. On the put side, it's got decent volume as well. There's about 23 contracts, so not insane, but definitely it's not no liquidity at all. On the call side, as far as our out of the money strikes, all the way down at 88, which are here, you can see the volume here. There's only 20 contracts that are being traded right now. There's a lot of open interest, so there's a lot of market here for us to move into, but just not a lot there. And then you can see on the put side, there's only about 11 contracts right now that are being traded for the 78 puts. So we're having a little bit of difficulty trying to get this thing off and trying to fill this trade. So instead of doing the whole position right now, I'm going to split it into two different chunks. Now I can split this thing. I'm first going to close out the order and just cancel out the order that we have. But I'm going to split this thing and I'm going to get the straddle off first. Now the reason I'm going to get the straddle off first with an Iron Butterfly is because you want those inside legs to get out and close first, right? So we don't want anything to happen with the inside legs that are kind of at the money. Those are the ones that are always the money makers, right? Those outside legs, we can get back a little bit of premium that we've gained, but we don't necessarily need to close those first. Those are not kind of the top highest priority. So on our platform, again, we're up about $208 on the overall position. So we're up some money on the position for sure, which is good. And then so what we're going to do here with these is we're just going to get out of the 86 calls and puts. Those are the at-the-money strikes right here. And for now, we'll leave on the 92, the 83s were down here. So the 83 calls and strike puts, we'll leave on the 88s and the 78s to kind of, just work for a little bit. Those aren't worth too much money. So they're only worth about $2, $5 a piece. So we can still get those off, but it just may not be worth it to go after those right now because there's low liquidity. So I'm just going to go ahead and right click here, create closing order. I'm going to buy back the inside straddle itself. So we'll pay a little bit more money because we can't get out of those other legs. We're not going to get a credit for those. But when I hit confirm and send, it's at 158. Hopefully this thing actually fills when we're on kind of talking here. You can see it's up here right now. It's trading right at 157.5. So we're offering 158. Market's at 157.5. So hopefully that might fill. So I was hoping that maybe it do a quick little fill here while we're talking. Maybe we'll just wait around and answer questions or something. See if we can't get filled here. FXY is sometimes a pain in the butt to get out of, but yeah. So that's what we're going to try to do. So we're going to try to split the order up. You can see we tried to do a lot of different things today, and I think just the key is just trying to play around with it and mess around with the pricing just a little bit. You notice that today we didn't really change our pricing all too much. It was dollar up, dollar down here and there. So it wasn't like we were offering $10 higher or $10 lower. We were just obviously making some small adjustments here. So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to let this order work in here for, I don't know, maybe another 10 minutes or so, and then try to go back in and adjust it. See what the pricing is when we actually get back here. So right now, like I said, we're offering 158 for just the inside legs. They'll still take us out a nice $200 profit for sure. and then we'll just worry about getting those single legs off later on. So I'll try to check back in here. Obviously, if you're a pro or elite member, you'll get these alerts when these trades go out, but I just want to share kind of my struggles today and trying to get this thing off and trying to get these trades filled. So let me know if you guys have any questions about this. Add them in the comment section right below this, and click the like and heart button if you guys enjoyed this, and we'll talk to you guys soon.